Got some primer on my Raptor build. This is just a first couple coats, nothing big. Still finding a few little flaws I gotta fix. And I got a little hairline seam that I'm working on, trying to get that eliminated. Trying not to use any putty, but using to my surface primer. I'm just building it up, do a little wet sand, should be good to go. I solved my door problem. I took a couple styrene strips, did a stair step so it comes off, chiseled out a little bit on the door so it slides back in and stays. Got a little bit of a gap that I gotta use some primer and just build it up. The kit comes with some figures. They're nicely done. They do fit. The canopy, minus the glass. Lights still work. Of course, I masked off everything so it's dull. Got a little light block, which I'll do. Engine still work. Still adding a little bit of detail on the bottom. A few little flaws need to fix, but no big deal. It's coming along. One question I get asked is, do I paint with everything on it? And the answer is yes. I like to build it all first and then paint everything, because you can mask off and paint, and that's what weathering's for. Just makes it easier on me, as some people have to have, like to paint in substations, which is fine. I just like to get everything put together, construction, then paint, and then my favorite term, paint modulation, which is just another fancy word for blending and weathering of paint. And for the Raptor color, and of all my Raptors that I paint, I use Vallejo US Field Grab. I think this is the best base coat for a Raptor. It is really, really close to the CGI color. Hopefully in a few days I'll be able to get all the primer done and get the at least a base coat on. And after that it'll be quick with all the weathering and detail painting. So far it's been a fun build. I highly recommend the JT Graphics Raptor. And for fun, my turret tumbler, which is on its way to Jersey Fest in a couple of weeks. And it's getting there too. But most importantly, the Raptor.